Zontaar here. Just trying to replace the tank on the barbecue since this one's empty, so we'll just try to get this plastic nut off of here, see how it goes. It's bloody tight. It's been on there about 8 years. I think it's seized. Well, we'll just get a piece of extender equipment here and see what we can do. Oh, bloody heck, what have we done now? Maybe I went the wrong direction. I'll try the other way. Oh, gee. Apparently we've broken the barbecue. Bloody heck. Of course, and it's a plastic nut too. Look at that big crack in it there. Well, so apparently this is a right-hand thread. I know the small one on the inside, that's a left-hand thread. Apparently this one turns right to go on, so, well, hopefully we learned that lesson. So, I guess a person could try to repair that plastic nut with JB weld, but I don't think that's a very good idea. For about 20 bucks or so, you can get a whole new regulator assembly with the new nut and everything. So I'm kind of thinking that's probably the way to go, since if this old one here ever cracked when in use, you'd spray propane all over the place and have an explosion on your hands. So in this case, I guess it's better to drop the 20 bucks and live. So anyway, lessons learned about barbecues. Zontaar here. We'll catch you later. Well, there. The Barbie's back in operation. Looks to be working A1. We even got the tank locked up, so none of the neighborhood reprobates can walk away with it. Anyway, it's good to have it working again. Zontaar here. We'll catch you later.